Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to request time off on UKG Pro app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To request time off using UKG Pro, first what you need to do is open up the app, and then once you're there, be sure to be logged into your account, and then once logged into your account, from the home screen, tap on My Time Off tile. Then choose the appropriate leave type, example vacation, sick leave from the drop down menu. Then tap the calendar icon to select your desired start and end date. Then for partial days, enable advanced options to specify the start and end time. Then enter any relevant comments or notes regarding your time off request. Then simply tap on submit to send your time off request for approval. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.